last concepts. I mean, up to email sending functionality. Have you practiced it, right? Up to email sending functionality. Friends, everyone practice it, right? Because once the things going on to the next level, then it may be the problem for you. That's why compulsory you require to practice. Okay, just module by module. I mean, so just section by section, you should have clear clarity. Mandatory, right? Maybe how many people are in a position to send successfully the mail? Can you please confirm? Yes, everyone in the position. Yes, to send a mail like that, right? Yes, all. Maybe SMTP authentication error. Tejaswani, can you please cross check your mail ID and password, whatever you configured in the settings.py? Yes, we know what problem you faced. I mean, any corrections are required. Yeah, Vaishnav, we will come to that point. Don't worry. Somewhere in the next, it may be helpful. Okay. Next, one more. If any person facing, there is one more thing I have. I hope I remembered. Just there is one settings also. Permission should be. Yes, yes, correct. Can you please tell? There is one point I covered. How many people just? I mean, I didn't tell about this point. One small thing you require to do. Okay, in your system, there is one thing you require to take care. What is that? Is uh, permissions. Lesser secure. Sir, applications or something. Gmail, like we require to do that. Maybe Tejaswani, you may face that problem like less secure apps Gmail, less secure apps Gmail, less secure apps Gmail for your account, like so you require to enable this one. Okay, I'm getting just is less secure apps section for your Google account. Like if any people facing this problem, just less secure apps, like you require to sir enable it is the less secure app, no problem at all, like that you have to enable that. Can you please cross check if any person facing this type of problem? Tejeshwar, getting? Okay, yeah, sir. Now let me add one the next comment section, comments section. Okay, let me add for this project. But before that, just have a look once, sir. There is for my 9 a.m. batch people. I covered one project. Do you know first project or second project, something like I have one project, sir. Second project is there. Can you please observe the content? What is the response it's going to provide? Please respond. What is the response it's going to provide? if I send a request, date, time, view, what the response it's going to provide? So the current date and the time at server is so and so. At server time, by default, what we are going to get is, so the corresponding server time we are going to get, sir. Assume that. Next, here do you know, if you observe urls.py, if you observe urls.py, what is the URL pattern I defined for this? What is the URL pattern I defined for this? Slash date like this type. Now let me go to that location. Django projects 9 a.m. Next, and after that second project, next py manage.py run server. Py manage.py run server. Like this I'm taking, sir. Run server like I'm taking. Now take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Here I'm taking, sir, like this I'm trying to send. Immediately it's asking, oi, URL pattern you require to provide. Slash date, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, the current sir, date and the time at server is, sir, like this, here 205150, something like what you are going to get. Correct, right? Yes, friends. Are you seeing any new thing? It is a very old project. First project, sir. It's a very old project. Just I'm telling the current date and time. Are you seeing any new thing there? Nothing. Even at least a template file also I didn't use, right? At least a template file also I didn't use. Array date time view return HTTP response of yes. Yes means H1. The current date and time is like this. It's going to provide that. Now my question is, happily the corresponding response by default I'm getting, sir. Now here just to take a bit very special care. Now what I'm trying to take is, now sir, let me send a request. Let me send a request like I'm trying to send. Sir, my request here is, okay. Now my request, whatever I'm going to send is Durgasoft Django dot python anywhere .com slash what is the URL pattern? Slash date. Okay, so now just let me check, sir. Okay, what the answer by default you are going to get? The current date and time at server is, okay, 2018 11 sir, 15 23 26. This is the server time whatever we are going to get. Do you know this URL is not my local machine? Okay, this URL is not my local machine. Can you please send the request from your system, this URL? Can you please send the request from your system? Yes. Can you please send the request from your browser? Are you getting the response? No, na? Are you getting the response? Yes, friends. Same response, right? Yeah. So means that now our application is in live, is in production. Any person from anywhere he can able to access. Regarding same application, whatever we developed, from anywhere any person can able to access this one. Correct, right? So each and every application whatever we developed, happily we can move this one to the production, okay, to the live. Then your work you can show to your friends also. Next, and after that, if you go to the interview, sir, as a freelancer I developed one project. Can you please see the link? If you want, you can able to access my website. Like it can able to tell. Are you getting the point, right? Yes, Shashank, we will. Getting right? So we can, now I hope for most of the people this type of requirement is a very common requirement. Correct, right? For most of the people this type of thing is a very common requirement. Yes, sir. So we are executing in our local mission. I want to see live. But anyway, it is a free website, sir. pythonanywhere.com is a free deployment hosting service provider. Okay, like at free 3 months around, our application will be in the live. No problem at all. If you don't want, you can create your custom URL also. Happily, sir, all our applications, including databases, template file, static file, everything we can able to post there. Okay, this one. So there is GitHub. Next and after that, this pythonanywhere.com deployment. Yes, that section also you can expect from me. Okay, like next, there is here, just observe this one. Observe this. Okay. Yes, sir, this is have you observed, right? Have you observed 18205? It is from the AWS, Amazon Cloud. This response is coming from Amazon Cloud. Observe that, but anyway, application is not configured, but it is coming from Amazon Cloud. Okay, like this response is coming. Shashank, he did this one. Okay, so that gap also we can able to fill. Don't worry about. Yeah, Heroku we require to discuss. Okay, like we will discuss about this terminology, right? Heroku, like digital ocean, like these things. Anyway, if you aware one, just documentation steps, deployment steps, documentation will be available, sir. Will be available happily. Do you know? We can able to just step by step. We require to do that. Deployment into the live is nothing will be there, sir. It's a very easy. Deployment in the live, nothing will be there. It's a very easy. Okay, yeah, that IP address is mapped with this custom domain name. We can able to do that. Okay, can I? So definitely the more interesting for every web developer. Definitely it should be very helpful concept. Okay, definitely you people can expect from me this knowledge also. Okay, sir, can I go to the next level? Can I explain that? Can I start our cinema? Okay, in our blog project we completed. Okay, we completed two what we call modules. Mail sending functionality I explained already. Next up, before that, even before that, how to list post detail view I covered. Next, and after that, pagination we covered. Pagination concept we covered. Mail sending functionality also we discussed, sir. What is the next cinema? What we require to discuss is, sir, it's a very most valuable concept, sir. How to add comments section, adding comments section to the blog. Okay, adding comments section to the blog. Sir, take a bit very special care, sir. For every post below comments I want to display. For every post below comments I want to display, sir. Sir, something like if you consider youtube.com. Okay, youtube.com. Just have a look once, sir. Suppose I'm taking language fundamentals. Okay, language fundamentals by Durgas or something like that. Just I'm taking that. Sir, this is my. So whenever I was a childhood, whenever I was kid, at that time I deployed this one. I mean, I uploaded this. Sir, just whenever at my childhood I did this one. Sir, have you observed? Now the comments part. If you are seeing the comments part, you can able to see like this. I want to add these comments also. I require to add these comments also. Okay, for the I want to add these comments also. Okay, like this, right? Sir, have you observed? If you are seeing the comments, sir, just at the top it is showing 498 comments. Are getting at the top it is showing 498 comments. Next time after that here, who provided this comment? Regarding who provided this comment, and even 2 months ago, 1 week ago, 3 months ago, like that it is also just a simple time since, like what we call the filter template filter is there to display. Now this is the comment. This is the comment like this. Sir, we are going to have, correct or not? Okay, so we want to display all comments related to that post. Sir, can I require to save this data permanently or not? Yes friends, can I require to save this data permanently or not? Yes, compulsory, permanently we require to save. If you want to save permanently, I require to save this data, then automatically compulsory you require to save in the table, right? You require to save in the table. Okay, one thing. Next time after that, if you want to add comment, sir, I want to add my own comment. I want to add my own comment. Do you know, sir, here sort by add a public comment. Add a public comment here. Something it is expecting some plugin. Anyway, don't worry, sir. If you want to add a comment, compulsory. If you want to add a comment, compulsory we require to sir, form must be required. Hey, what is your name? If you want, you can display your mail ID. If you want, you can provide. Next and after that, what is the comment you want to display? Something like we can able to do that. Correct time? Yes. So for comment, if you want to add the comments for your application, sir, what are various activities must be required? So first activity, sir, we require to create a model to save comments permanently. Correct or not? Correct or not? Because in the database table we require to save. That's why we have to create a model to save comments. Okay, so this is the first activity. Next time after that, so to submit, end user, how is going to submit his comment? Compulsory form must be required. To submit comments. To submit comments, form must be required. Under these comments which are submitted should be saved into model. Are you getting right? Whatever comments submitted should be saved inside model. That's why highly recommended we should go for model based form. Correct or not? Have you remembered, right? Model based form. The biggest advantage of model based form is retrieving, saving into the database will become very easy. Are you in the position to aware? Somewhere at our childhood we covered. Are you getting? So this is next. One more thing, sir. Okay, we have to, form must be required, model must be required. Next, we require to create a view function. We require to create a view function to process comments and save to the database. Because whenever end user submitted the comment, so first whenever end user, I want to add comment, display form, and after submitting that comment, I have to read that and I have to display. For that, compulsory process comments, some view function must be required. Next, one more thing we have to require. Do you know, in the post detail .html, so in every detail page, post detail .html, one link, one we have to edit to display all comments, and to display all comments, and the form to submit comment must be added, and a form to submit comments. Getting right? So what are various things must be required means, these are various things, right? So we have to create a model, we require to create a form. Next, we have to define a view function. Next, that the form already submitted comments, everything we require to add somewhere in the detail page. For every, after display the post, after display the post, compulsory we have to display all comments related to that post. Remember, sir, the Django projects OT I'm taking, sir, here blog the project. Now py manage.py run server, like this I'm taking. Just observe that here 127, like this I'm taking, sir. Yes, perfect. Okay, if I can click this one, after this share post, here comments also I want to display. What is the way how you can able to do that? That part we are going to take care. Don't worry about this. Okay. Now, where is my blog project? This is the blog project. Whatever we have, sir. Sir, now first activity we have to take care about models.py. Are you getting models.py? Py like this, right? Already post model is already there, sir. Post model is already there. Now, sir, comment model I require to take, sir. Model related to comments section. Model related to comments section I require to take care. Sir, what is the way? What is the way? Sir, now I have one small doubt, sir. Every comment, every post associated with comments, correct, right? Every post, every blog post associated with the comments, correct, right? Comments, it should be associated with the comments. Next, I have one small thing, small thing. How many comments will be there per post? How many comments will be there per post? Okay, multiple comments. It is sir, not it is not 1-to-1. It is a many to one relationship. Multiple comments to single post possible. Multiple comments to single post is possible, right? Sir, many to one relationship. Usually we can specify by using foreign key. 1 to many, many to one. We can specify by using foreign key. Have you remembered, right? Okay. Now let me take here. Just I'm taking class comments. Regarding class comment I'm taking, sir, models dot model I'm taking. Okay. So now in the comment, which things must be required? Regarding which things must be required, right? Sir, do you know for every this comment is related to which post? This comment is related to which post? Compulsory post must be there. Post we are not required to create. Compulsory is already available in the post. It's already available in the post. So models dot. Have you remembered at our childhood somewhere we covered foreign key of related to post, sir. Okay, post. Next, if you want to access all comments related to post in reverse, here we require to use related name. Just I'm taking related name is comments. Sir, observe there are several people having the doubt about this terminology, right? Sir, for which purpose we are going to use a related name? A related name. Very simple, sir. Today somewhere I got one post object. Right? So related to this post, I want to know all comments. Very simple, sir. Just you can call comments. Post, you got already post object. Dot comments. Then all comments are related to that particular post. By default, we are going to get. So reverse operation. Are you getting? So from comment, what is associated post? If you want post variable, right? So I have post is there. How to get all comments related to that post by using these comments. This is the purpose where you are going to use this related name, canonical name, reverse names. Remember this one. Sir, best example. I told, right. So just the best example here. Just observe that. I'm taking same video. Let me take that. Sir, do you know here just language fundamentals like first video. Just observe that, sir. If you consider this is one video, this is one post, this is one poster, right? So related to this post, how many, sir, here how many comments are available, sir? 498 comments are there. I want to get all comments related to this video, related to this post for the related name matters a lot. Are you able to understand, right? So in the foreign key references, we are going to use this related name to get the reverse information. So from the post, if you want to get all corresponding comments, then by using this we can able to get. Any doubt, friends? Are you able to understand? Yes. So every here observe that. So each employee related to each person related to, assume that employee of some software company. This person company name is IBM. Assume that, sir. For this person, company name is IBM like this. So person company is equal to, sir, foreign key reference of company name, like. So tomorrow with the IBM, how many employees are there? I want to get all employees information. Then automatically this type of thing is going to be helpful. Do you know, somewhere in the class-based reviews, whether you remembered or not, somewhere we use this type of concept, related name, class-based reviews. Somewhere we use this concept, sir. Okay. Now next, this is the poster, sir. Next, name, sir. What is the name? Who is providing this comment? Who is providing this comment, sir? Models dot char field, models dot char field of max length is equal to some 32. Like this, I'm taking name of the person. Any name you can take. Next, if you want email, okay, no problem. If you want to display his email or otherwise store this data in the database somewhere for our internal purpose, we may use, like, anyway you can capture whatever information models dot email field, models dot email field I'm taking, sir. Next, body, sir. Body. So comment body. What we require to take is models dot text field. Regarding models dot text field, body, sir. Next, created. Sir, on what date created? Okay, models dot. Have you remembered, right? Models dot date time field. At our childhood, somewhere we covered this one. Date time field auto now yard is equal to true. I'm taking auto now yard. At what time this comment object got created, like this, right? Next, and after that, updated is equal to models dot date time field of. Can you please guide? What is the next one? Auto now is equal to true. We require to take. Sir, even for the post also we took already these things. I hope you know. For post model also we took already these two things, right? Okay, like next, active. So sometimes what will happen is, so comment, what I want to take, I want to disable some comment. Hey, can you please make the status as a false active? Yeah, I don't want, because he provided the comment is very vulgar. Then obviously being admin person, I have to deactivate that. Then automatically active is equal to models dot boolean field. Models dot boolean field I'm taking, and the default value is true. I'm taking, sir. And the default value I'm taking, yeah, the true, like this, right? So post, name, email, body, created, updated, active, like this I'm taking, sir. Next, sir, that's all. This is about what we have. These are various fields. Of course, some fields end user is not required to provide. These three things end user is not required to provide, because the reason is created time, updated time. Next, and after the default is active. Automatically these things are going to take care. Okay. Next, post is also is not required to provide. So end user is the responsible only for these three things. Regarding under which post he is commenting, that is the corresponding post. So we are not required to specify post information. Next, created, updated, active, these are three things also system automatically will consider only for an end user. Name, email, body, only these three things must be captured from end user, right? Are you getting? Are you in the position to understand? Yeah. Saiteja ready. Delete option, if you want, you can able to provide. But anyway, we can. Okay, that's all. This is active line. Next, I have one small doubt. To display all these comments, order must be required. To display all these comments, order must be required. Can you please tell which comment should be displayed first? Which comment should be displayed first? Okay. So the oldest comment first or newest comment? Can you please observe that? Default here 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 2 years ago, something like 5 months ago. Here order is not there. Order is not there here. But anyway, usually the latest comment or oldest comment, like that thing we can able to decide, no problem at all. Class meta ordering, are you getting right? Ordering is equal to just assume that created, ordering is equal to created. So it is ascending order of created. Ascending order of created. Ascending order of created means sir, old to recent. So first oldest comment will be displayed first and so on. If you want to just keep hyphen symbol, minus symbol, then automatically it will become recent to sir old. Okay, anyway, that depends on our requirement, right? Next here there is def underscore okay str underscore self. I'm taking, if any person trying to display this comment object, just return here, just I'm taking return commented by so and so person on so and so date, like this I want to take, sir, form of self dot name comma self dot commented dot post. Okay, like this. So if any person trying to display my comment object, sir, my comment object, any person trying to display comment object, then commented by so and so here person on so and so post, like this it's going to display. Maybe internally somewhere we may use this one. Can you please confirm up to this? Any doubt, any explanation is required about this one? This is the models dot py. Okay, like that. So now what is the next thing I have to take care? What is the next thing we require to take care, sir? So first once we had a comment, once we added a new model, if you added a new model, migrations must be required or not? Because in the database this table is required to create, correct or not? That's why please make sure py manage.py manage.py. What is the first command? Make migrations, because I want to create a new table. New table like this, right? Make migrations. Py manage.py make migrations. Yes, correct. Created model comment. Okay, like that. Next sir, migrate. Migrate. Okay, like database table by default will be created. Yes, applying 002 comment. Okay, well, like this, right? Yes. Okay, now what is the next thing we have to take care? I want to see this table in the database. Is it created or not? I want to see in the database, is it created or not? Just take a bit very special case. What I want to take care? Admin. I require to perform some changes to the admin interface or not? I respond. Admin interface, some changes are required or not? Yes. Okay. Now I'm taking class. Okay. From block.models import the post comma comment. Import the post comma comment like this. I'm taking, sir. Here my requirement is just to take a bit very special case, sir. What is the post like this? We do class. Okay, class comment admin. Now I'm just trying to take admin dot model admin like this. I'm taking, sir, comment admin like that. Now my target is list display. So what things you want to display? List display is equal to sir, what things I require to display? Name, email, post, everything. Let me display name comma email. Have you remembered, right, sir? In the models.py, what are various fields are available? Name, email, post, body, created, updated, active. Are you getting? Name, email, body, created, updated, like this, right? Here name, email. Next on which post is commenting this one. What is the post? Post means post title. Next and after that, okay, here body. Next created. Okay. Next and after that, updated. Under then, sir, active. Under then, status. Is it active or deactive? Like this, right? Can you please cross check, sir? Is these names are same as model names or not? Very, very important, sir. By mistake, is there any mismatch is there? Name, email, next post, okay, well, body, next created, updated, and then active. Okay, well, so same things only. Okay, like now after this is the list display. Okay, now if you want list filter search fields, like you can able to take, sir. If you want, you can able to do that filter search fields, like we require to take care. Okay, list display, like we can take. Next list filter. List filter, sir. List display, it can be tuple also, need not be list, it can be tuple also, no problem at all, sir. Okay, here I'm taking list filter. Can you please filter based on active or based on created or based on updated? Based on created or updated, like this list filter. Next search fields. If you want to search, what search I want to take, all, so all comments by a particular person name, or all comments by email, or otherwise all comments so with respect to body, like okay. So just I'm trying to take in these fields, search is going to be happen. So by name or by email or otherwise by body, something like this, right? Sir, all these fields already I discussed, sir. These things are not new. Can you please tell what is the last line I have to take? Please confirm. Last line I have to take admin.site.register of comment, comma. What is the next one, sir? Comment admin, like this I'm taking, sir. Comment, comma, comment admin, like yeah, Vaishnav, these things are related to backend, not to the front end. Just for the admin interface purpose, I'm taking these things. In the admin interface, okay, I want to filter based on active. Okay, I want to filter, I want to search based on the name, something like that. Everything is related to admin interface customization. This is not for the end user purpose. Getting wise now? Okay, that's all. So up to this, okay, let me run the server. Sorry, let me, here no migrations. Let me run the server. Py manage.py run server. I'm taking py manage.py run server. Okay, now let me go to admin interface. Okay, /admin username Durga, and then Durga123 I'm taking. Let me log in. Yes, comments part is came. Okay, no comments are there as of now. Don't worry about this one, sir. No comments are there as of now. Okay, like yeah, sir. Now everything is clear. So database table is ready to store our comments. Next, what I have to take is take this form must be required. Form must be required to submit comments. Form must be required to submit comments. That's why in the forms.py, what I'm trying to take is, okay, from blog. Have you observed, right? From blog dot models import which model we have to import? Comment model we require to import, right? Next class comment form or comment submit form. Anything you can able to take, sir. Comment form I'm taking. Forms dot, have you remembered, right? Am I required to create model form or normal HTML form, normal Django form? Model form is highly recommended. Model form is highly recommended. Forms dot, here model form. Have you remembered? Forms dot model form. Okay, I'm taking, sir. Next, class meta. Class meta based on which model? Based on which model? Comment model. Based on comment model. Next, do you want to include all fields or not? Can you please confirm? Think a bit carefully and then tell the answer. Do you in the form, do you want to include all the fields which are present inside comment? Which are present inside comment? All fields are required or only some fields? Only some fields are required. Do you know? Because I told already in the comment, these many fields are there, sir. Okay, post by default will be considered, because under which post you are trying to write the comment, that is the post automatically will be considered. Created time, updated time, and active or not, these things will be considered automatically. So end user is required to provide only these three fields. That's why name, email, and then body. That's it. So we have to specify that. So which fields are required? Which fields are required? Okay. First one, name must be required. Next and after that, email must be required. Next and after that, name must be required. Email must be required. What the next ones are? Body must be required. That's it. Like name, email, and then body must be required. That's it. This is about sir comment form, whatever I'm taking. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now there is a small thing is there. Array. So send a request. Send a request. Okay. Send a request and display. Send a request and display this form for the end user. Very, very important. For that, one view function must be required. Okay. For that, one view function must be required. What I'm trying to take, display and the processing view. Okay. Like what I require to take care, sir. Take a bit very special care. I have one small doubt, sir. Where we have to display comments? Can you please confirm? Anyone? In which page I have to display comments? In which page I have to display form? Everything where I have to display. Okay, in the detail page. Correct or not? Post detail page. That's why we are not required to go for separate view function. We require to go to existing view function only. Sir, this is post list view, like this, right? Next, this one is post detail view. Regarding post detail view, if we are going to send a request year, month, and so on, have you remember, right? Somewhere we covered a big story about this one, sir. Okay, what is the post related to this one? Okay, now take a bit very special case, sir. I got a corresponding post object. How to get comments related to that post? Can you please confirm? How to get comments related to that post? Somewhere I covered. How many people remembered? I don't know. Have you remembered, right? Here, sir, you are using related name. Several times you are using related name. What is the purpose and so on? Now you are going to see the purpose. All comments related to this post. All comments related to this post. Post data comments. Regarding what I have to take, sir? Can you please spell out post data comments? Okay. Do you want all comments or only active comments? Do you want all comments or only active comments? Can you please confirm? Do you want all comments or only active comments? That's why data filter. Have you remembered? Somewhere at our childhood we covered already this one also. Data filter. Dot filter of active is equal to true, sir. dot active is equal to true, like this. Now I got all comments right. Now legend this one, and now I got all comments. Here the problem is, sir, if I'm sending request for this, I have to display all comments and then submit like this, right? Even after submitting also, it is going to the same. Just I'm trying to take CS submit is equal to just a matter of 1 minute, sir. Matter of just 1 minute, or otherwise, okay. What I want to take here is, don't worry much about this one, sir. Of course, you can able to understand. This terminology. I don't think. Let me take a complete at the beginning only. Comment submit. Submit is equal to false. I'm taking, sir. It is not a comment submit. Assume that it's by default comment is not submitted, right? Not submitted. If request dot method is equal to post, oh, he is submit the comment. Submit the comment. Legend a bit very carefully, sir. He submit the comment. Okay, if he submit the comment, form is equal to comment form. Okay, sir, comment form must be required. Where comment form is available, okay, just now I wrote from blog dot forms import comment form. Okay, so form is equal to comment form of request dot post. Sir, with this data, with the end user provided data, can you please create a form object? Okay, like if form dot is valid, if a form dot is valid, sir, form is the valid, sir. If a form is the valid, can you please confirm one small thing I have to take care? Legend a bit very carefully, sir. One thing I have to take care. I have to create comment object. If it is the value, can you please guide what I have to take? End user submitted comment. If end user submitted comment, can you please confirm what I require to take care? I have to respond. I have to save this comment in the database. I require to save this comment in the database. But make sure there is a small problem is there. What is the problem is, end user is always going to provide only this information. Only this information, right? Sir, only this information only. So it is associated with which post? You should associate. You should specify. Next created. Next created time, updated. Next default value for active will be considered. But post you require to associate. That's fine. What I'm trying to take is, sir, new comment is equal to form dot save of commit is equal to false. I'm taking. Observe very carefully, sir. Sir, can you please get the new comment, but don't save in the database. Now you are getting whatever comment end user submitted. When the user submitted, now I got the comment. Now new comment dot post is equal to compulsory. We require to associate post is equal to this post value. This post value we have to associate. Already this post is already, current post is already there. Assign post related to the comment for post field, like this I'm taking. So post also associated. If the post also associated, what we require to take is, sir, new comment dot sir save. Okay, default value for commit is the true. We are not required to specify commit is equal to true, like this. Sir, are you in the position to understand these 3 lines, right? Assume, visualize, end user submitted the comment. Now the request is coming to this place because method is equal to post. Now he provided only name, email, and a body. So up to that, can you please get a comment object? Okay, but post not associated. Associate corresponding post value and then save. Now in the database, automatically it will be saved. Clear, right? No problem. Post contain all the remaining fields. Just I want this new comment associated with which post. That's all. Just the post object. This every comment should associated with some post. Can you please observe that? 1 minute. So once we executed, then you people can able to understand. Sir, observe. Or otherwise, okay. This post you can take a current post. Assume that I mean, sir, current post value. Assume that current post value. Next year current post value. Okay. So we are getting post current post whatever. Now this current post associated with the comment dot post. Vinod, getting the point? Vinod. Okay, so now no problem. Let me remove this one. That's it. Okay, just slowly you are going to get, because we are at middle. At last the flow I will explain. Don't worry, sir. Now after this, comment submit either true or false. Here I took one variable for tracking whether comment submitted or not. Now after this line, comment submit, is it true or false? Array comment submit is either true or false? True, sir. Okay, like well, sir. Now take a bit very special case, sir. Okay, that's all. Now here I have one small doubt is there, sir. If the request dot method is equal to post, this is the thing submitted. Else, what is the meaning of that? Else, what is the meaning of that? Oh, it is not post. It is not post. If it is not a post, I have to display the form. If it is not a post, I require to display the form. Correct or not? I require to display the form. That's why here form is equal to create empty form. Create empty form. That's it. Okay, I will trace so that you will get much clarity. Don't worry, sir. First, let me complete this with 30%, 40%. If you are getting once after execution, you will get complete 100%. Don't worry. Why I am taking this one? Because just here post I am taking. Can you please tell what are other fields I require to pass? What are other fields I require to pass? Anyone? Can you please confirm? Post. Okay. Well, I am sending post. Next, the form must be required. Compulsory form must be required. Form. Okay. What is the next one? CS submit also I may use in the template file. That's why CS submit, C submit, like comment submit is the value. C submit like this I'm taking, sir. C submit like I'm taking. Okay. Well, so now listen a bit very carefully, sir. What is the name of this function? What is the name of this function? Post detail view. It is the responsible complete details of the post, including comments also. Okay. If you ask year, month, day, post, now the corresponding post I'm getting. Now associated comments I'm getting. Associated comments I'm getting. Now CS submit. Okay, like this, and send this one, right? Now the control should goes to detailed page. Remember this one. Now the control should goes to detail page. Detail page. Okay. In the details dot HTML. Okay. Post details dot HTML. In the details page, what are various things you want to display for your comment? Can you please tell? For your details page related to comments, what things must be required? First thing, number of comments I have to display. So 498 comments for this video, for this post, like this I have to display. Number of comments, number of comments I have to display. Next, for every comment, we have to add head part for every comment. Head part, what it means, I will discuss. For every next for every comment we require to add comment body. I mean head part means who wrote this comment, next on which date you wrote this comment, like this is called head part. Next the body of the comment. Next the fourth one, body of the comment. Next add the comment form, add the form to submit new comment. To submit new comment, like this I'm taking, to submit new comment. Next if already submitted, submitted, display success message, are getting. Just to add to display comments, we require to take care all these things. Are you getting number of comments, head part, comment body, add form to new comment. If it's already submitted, display success message. All these things we require to take care. Are you getting? Slowly you people may get, don't worry, just a 20% terminology is enough. Once completed, then you people can able to understand very easily. Can I go for that? Are you getting the point? Okay, now what I'm trying to take here is, let me go to correct Vaishnav. Post field is the foreign key to through which we can access all fields of post object. Correct. Okay, already post object is there. Here. Okay, now my target is templates blog project, and then templates, next the blog post detail .html. Okay, here just I'm trying to take okay, this button, share button, like this, right? Okay, if you want div class is equal to container align is equal to center, and then I'm taking like this. Okay, just my intention is to display blog post, I mean email button in the center position. Email button itself is the center position, like this, right? Yeah, email button, it came in the center position, like that. Okay, now what is the next cinema we require to take care? Okay, take very special care, sir. Next I have to display, I require to display what we call comment spot up to email, no problem at all. So email sending itself is acceptable. Okay, like that. One minute, sir. Okay, Now, here just take a bit very special case. What we have to take here is here just observe that. Do you know here there is some concept we require to discuss. There is some concept we require to discuss. How many we never discussed about this one, so that our life will become very easy. Do you know what is this one? What is this one? Can you please tell? Here, respond. Just it's a very easy. Don't worry. It is the template tag. It is the template tag. It is also a template tag to display text, to do some processing. Maybe if else or something like this. Correct, right? Similarly, there is one template tag is available. Here, percentage. What this template tag is with regarding what is this template tags are with comments dot count, with the comments dot count. Yes, comments count. Do you know what is the meaning of this one? Is comments dot count. Boss, how many comments are there? Can you please assign this value to comments count variable? Regarding, can you please assign this value to comments count variable? Okay, like this one, sir. Comments count variable. What is this is also one template tag. Regarding that, can you please tell with what is this one? Comments count. Yes, comments count. The name itself indicates something like it's a very easy. Correct, right? It's a very easy thing only. Okay, can be used, sir. Percentage with can be used to assign a value to new variable. Sir, this is the value we are assigning to this new variable. Okay. Next, we can use this variable in the next line wherever it is required. The biggest advantage here is comments dot count is always going to trigger database call. Regarding, instead of performing database call multiple times, just save this result one time inside a variable and use that variable wherever it is required. Some way internally performance improvement by default will be there, sir. Are you getting? Are you getting some point? Are you getting some point? Okay, here see this one. It's a not it's a comments dot count. Hey, how many comments are there? If you are asking how many comments are there, it may require to trigger database call. If I'm asking 10 times, then 10 times database call is meaningless. That's why, so better to find one time and save inside a variable. Next time onwards, directly we can use this variable. It's always a good programming practice. One thing. Next, one more. Sir, one comment, two comments, three comments, four comments, okay, zero comments are like, there is, have you observed, right? Sometimes S is not there, but sometimes S is there. Are you getting? Sometimes S is not there, sometimes S is there. Is it possible to generate based on this number yes or not? Is it possible to generate based on this or not? Okay, very simple, sir. Very simple. What I will take is comment like sir, at the end yes must be required or not? Yes must be required or not? What I will take here is, sir, very simple, sir. Comments count is already there. Comments count is already there. Okay, here just I'm taking plural. Here just observe that pluralize, plural. Are you getting? Pluralize. What it means is, if this is one, then it won't add yes. It won't add yes. Do you know? It is the responsible to add yes, sir. If this number is 1, it won't add yes. If this number is not 1, it will add yes. Something like this. Okay? Are you getting? Even this much level also, we require to take care while displaying the comments. 1 comment, 2 comments, 3 comments, something like this. Getting, friends? Ayo, are you in the position to understand this code? Okay, what is this one? What is this code? What is this one? Respond. What is this one? Don't tell pluralize. I know that. Nandakishore, I can able to read. What is this one? This is called a template filter. Are you getting template filter to add yes based on this number? Okay. Just I'm stopping at this terminology at this stage. Don't worry, sir. Once we complete comment cycle, then I'm sure, believe me, 100% everyone can able to get. Just we completed only 10%. Okay, even everything is abstract, everything is in the air. Don't expect completion. Okay, once I completed this, everyone can able to understand. Nothing will be there. Sir, where you are facing much problem, sir, model not required to keep any explanation. Everyone got very clearly. Correct? Everyone got very clearly related to model. Next, admin, everyone got very clearly. Okay, the only problem where the people are facing this view function, this logic. Okay, this logic based on template file display. Once a display is there in front of you, then reverse mapping you can able to understand these things very easily. Okay, let me complete the template file, then you people can able to understand very easily, believe me, sir. Okay, yeah, now